To read in Onekeycash on Expedia, follow these steps. Begin by visiting the Expedia website, specifically the page for Onekey, which offers rewards for travel bookings. For every dollar spent on eligible hotels, vacation rentals, flights, and more, you can earn Onekeycash. To start, click on Go Explore and proceed to book your travel as you normally would. Choose your preferred type of accommodation, select a location and dates, and then search for available options. Once you've found a suitable property, click on it to view the details, and if you're satisfied, scroll down and click on Reserve. Next, fill out the required information, including your payment method. If you have accumulated points, you may have the option to use them. After completing the booking form, click on Complete Book to finalize your reservation. By following these steps, you can earn Onekeycash for every dollar spent on eligible bookings.